All I do.
Are you hearing that wedge right there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. Next one over, please. Can you hear that in the wedge recording? Can you hear that more?
Yeah, there I am. Hey! Trying to entertain people out here. All I do is think about you, yeah. All I do, yeah, is think about you. Is that good enough? Want some more?
Can you hear yourself okay in the wedges?
Yeah, you can actually pump me up just a little bit.
Okay, now let's do it too.
Awesome! What's up, everybody? You made my soul a burning fire. You're getting to be my one desire. You're getting to be all that matters to me. And let me tell you, love, I hope and pray each day I live. A little more love I have to give. A little more love that's devoted and true. All I do is think about you, baby. Is think about you, baby. All I do, is think about you. Haven't we done this once? Let's not do this again. All I want is sweet time, babe. We said words had cut, now it's gonna take some work to get it back to sweet time, babe. I lost that love when you took that trip and you went away. But what about the sweet time, babe? Oh, what about the sweet time, babe? Trying, yeah, and you know it feels good too. So come and lay beside me. Oh, I need your sweet touch, fix everything. Remember how it feels. Oh, how I miss our sweet time. We're full of sweet time, babe. When you stare at the past, to even feel lost, I picture this differently. Trying so hard to hang on to the thought of future little sweet times, babe.
Can we do part one? Yes, more microphones that are up there.
I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything a man could want. I got more than I could ask for. I don't need to run around. I don't need to stay out all night. I got the sweet Don't you know